Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up 3.44% right now the moment I'm recording this video, which is a very good sign. It is a great indicator and I do believe this is even a buy sign. I will explain to you guys why I believe in this. I will give you guys more details in this video. We are going to do a complete analysis in Tesla. So my friends, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I do believe this content is going to be very helpful to you. Let's start our analysis in Tesla right now, looking at the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, Tesla is facing its first challenge over here, the 21 exponential moving average. We bounced back up nicely from here. Now we hit this resistance, which is at the same point the 50% retracement is right now. So naturally, we found a resistance at this area. This is a dual resistance price level, and it's not going to be that easy for Tesla to break it. So naturally, we're seeing some resistance. Now, is this resistance a true problem? No, it is not a problem. However, Tesla must not lose today's low again. If we do lose today's low, then okay, probably this was indeed just a dead cat bounce and Tesla might retest again the $700. However, this reaction is pretty interesting because, okay, we are bouncing back up to the resistance level and it seems Tesla wants to build a bullish structure. Tesla wants to do a bullish pivot point. Let's do this. A bottom, a top. Now it's trying to do a bottom higher than the previous bottom. If we break today's high again, Tesla will confirm a bullish pivot point in the short term. And this is a classic, a very, very classic reversal chart pattern, indicating to us that yes, Tesla is reversing the trend and probably it's going to drag the daily chart to higher levels as well. In the daily chart, Tesla is still totally bearish. Okay, here the trend is totally bearish. Tesla is doing lower highs, lower lows. It seems nothing can help us over here. But do you guys remember that yesterday I told you guys, okay, if Tesla does a bullish candlestick over here tomorrow above the 61.8% retracement, it is going to be a very good sign. Well, Tesla is doing exactly what we said yesterday, right now, today. So this is a very good sign. And considering it is a bullish sign just above the 61.8% retracement, which is the last support level in Tesla in the short term, in the short/mid term, I think this reaction is even a buy sign because the risk-reward ratio makes perfect sense. If you are like me, your target in Tesla is $920. As I already explained it to you guys multiple times in this channel, this is my personal technical target. It is a gap that has yet to be filled, so I do believe Tesla will fill this gap, will hit this point somewhere in the future. The big question is, I don't know how or when it's gonna hit there. Now we might have a clear idea of how it's going to do this. If Tesla triggers this pivot point, triggering this bullish reversal structure, leaving the 21 exponential moving average behind, starts doing higher highs, higher lows in the 1 hour chart, great. Then the odds of hitting this target will increase dramatically. In the daily chart, we do have a bullish candlestick pattern. We don't see clear bullish structure right now. The trend is still bearish. But this might be the beginning of something new. When we analyze the Nasdaq index, for instance, the Nasdaq is just doing a very good reaction at a support level. Yesterday we hit this support level, February 24. Right now we are doing a very good reaction. This pattern, my friends, has a name. This pattern over here. It is called bullish Harami candlestick pattern. Usually, this pattern has a random chance of doing anything. It is like 50% chances of going up. However, since we are near a support level, in my personal experience as a trader, the odds increase to the bullish side when it is near a support level. So I do believe we have more chances of going up than down from here because, again, we are near support levels, the risk-reward ratio makes sense, and probably the Nasdaq will help Tesla case over here, will help our bullish thesis over here as well. Let's pretend you are out of Tesla. What are you going to do in this situation? Are you going to short or to buy? It is much more interesting to buy, in my humble opinion, because, again, the risk-reward ratio makes perfect sense. If you buy at this price level, you would just set a stop loss under today's low. As I told you, Tesla must not lose today's low, otherwise it might drop to the 700s again. So there would be your stop loss and your target, 920. So the risk-reward ratio makes perfect sense. Your reward would be 3.38 times bigger than your potential risk. So I think this makes total sense. The risk-reward ratio is plausible, and of course, if you are in Tesla already, is this a time to sell it? Again, of course not. If it is not the time to short, it is not the time to sell, because if you sell over here, it would feel like you are selling to some smart portfolio manager who's buying from you at this support level at the 61.8% retracement. So this makes zero sense to me. As a trader, as an investor, I think it is the time to buy Tesla. I bought Tesla. Tesla is one of my recommended stocks from my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. All my trades are totally public. You may check all my past trades over here, of course, with a 1-week delay. Now, back to Tesla. I do believe Tesla will reverse when we analyze the weekly chart. I believe this week is going to be a positive week considering how Tesla is erratic, and it feels like we are almost in a congestion in the weekly chart. I don't believe we're going to retest the 700s again. This was a very erratic movement, right? A very volatile movement thanks to the war in Ukraine. So I believe this is not going to repeat again. I mean, a lightning can't strike the same place twice. So I believe right now we found our support level at the 61.8% retracement. And from here, I think it is worth to consider buying Tesla. I told you this video was going to be helpful. So again, consider subscribing at this channel, my dear friends. Thank you very much for watching this. Stay safe. Farewell.